Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how you can cornrow your own hair in the comfort of your home. I already sectioned my hair into 8 sections or 8 rows. For a clean part, I advise you visit the salon, but if you don't mind the parts, you can as well do that yourself in the comfort of your home, but it's better you get someone to give you a clean part. That way you'll get it right. I'll be using my neem oil and a white tooth comb for this process. The video on how I made this oil is in my description box. The link is in my description box. Please check it out. I will also be using this ouchless band to hold my hair in place, just to hold that in place to avoid getting into the one that I'm working with. To begin, I will pick up the section close to my right ear, unravel the twist, apply my neem oil to help with sleep, and also apply on my scalp, work that in, and then use the white tooth comb to detangle that section properly. So once you're done detangling, take some hair in your fingers from the front near your ear, separate that row into 3 even sections, or it must not be even since you are just beginning. So separate that with your fingers, a left section, center section, and right section. You are to use both hands to do this, with one hand holding one section of hair while the other hand holds 2 separated sections of hair. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if you can understand. The oil will help you grip the hair easier, tame flyaways, and keep your cornrows neat. Make the first braid stitch, starting with either the left or right section in your fingers. Move it over and on top of the center section, replacing the center with it. Then move the section on the opposite side over so that it is in the center on the opposite side, and then switch the current center piece with that side. Make sure you are always having one hand holding one section of hair while the other hand holds 2 separated sections. Add a small section of hair from the row underneath to each braid stitch. Every time you make a new braid stitch, add more hair from the row and continue until you reach the nape of your hair or your neck. This will keep the braids attached to your head. If you don't add more hair with each stitch, the braid will be loose and come out from your head instead of being in a cornrow style. My tip to you, try not to braid the hair too tightly. Very tight braids aren't good for your hair. They can lead to breakage and can even damage your follicles. When you get to the neck region, you won't have any more hair to add into each stitch. Simply finish the braid until you've used up the rest of your hair. The length of the end of your braids will depend on how long your hair is. Please ignore my face here. I don't know what happened that I had to keep my face like that. Okay, guys, you're to continue the same process. I will go ahead for the next row oil my scalp, and at the same time oil the hair, and then comb out to detangle properly so that I can braid smoothly. Continue the braiding technique for each row on your head. Repeat the process. Divide that row into 3 even sections at the front near your forehead. Braid it until you reach the nape of your neck. Braid the remaining hair until you've used up the rest of your hair. So another way that I'll be explaining this is to basically split each row into 3 pieces from the front and keep crossing them through the middle. Grab the hair from the right to the left. As you go, you keep adding your natural hair and keep moving your way towards the nape area. If you don't understand, you can play the video again so you can get a hold of it. The more you watch and practice, the more you get better at it. Keep doing it, so just keep watching. Guys, you don't always have to pay a stylist to do this for you. You can just learn it and do it by yourself. That way you can minimize unnecessary tension on your scalp, and also you can minimize your spending. Just follow my hand movement, and trust me, by the time you watch this video for 3 to 4 times, you'll get better at it. Guys, I'm going to stop talking and allow you watch me. The more you watch, the better you get to learn this. Just watch this last part closely. Watch my hand movement and you will definitely get it. Let me allow you to watch. So guys, that's all for this video. My cornrows are ready for my waist. Please let me know in the comments below how you are doing with cornrows. How are you really getting on with the practice? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I love you all so much and catch you in my next video. Bye guys.